Jesse, what we doing? We're gonna put the mailbox up, right?
No.
Yes, that's what we're doing. We're building up the mailbox. Okay? Okay?
Yeah.
All right.
So in this video, we are going to be demonstrating Daddy and Jesse, Finesse, will be demonstrating what it is to install a mailbox. So we're going to be installing a mailbox. The wood was already in the garage. We just bought the mailbox from Home Depot. And Jesse loves doing construction. Yeah, as you can tell. I had to get the hole to 20 inches. And once the hole is at 20 inches, as you can see, I'm going to be measuring the depth of the hole. And then, as Jesse jumps in the sky, I see you, Jesse Finesse. There we go. Daddy's measuring the depth of the hole. And I'm going to get it to where it's at its 20-inch mark. And, yeah, I'll let the video speak for itself. Let me get out of you guys' way. Jesse Finesse! Jazz was at school, by the way, so he wasn't in this video. But he sure will be in the next. Yeah, and so right here, I'm measuring the hole, the depth, and there we have it. Right there, I got it. Bang, bang, bang. And then we just got to stabilize it with some rocks. Then after this, I'm going to be mixing the cement with Jesse and I. Jesse's going to get the water, as you're going to see. And we're going to mix the cement once we put the rocks and stuff to hold the 4x4 posts in place. Then we're going to pour some cement down there. There we go, Jesse. I see you. I see you. Finesse. This part is pretty self-explanatory. So as Jesse is pouring the water from the hose, I'm mixing the cement with the shovel in the wheelbarrow, because you don't want to mix it on the floor and mess up the floor. I mean, even if you do, you just wash it off. But find this method to be way much easier. And there you have it. Jesse is the best apprentice ever. Jesse Finesse, I see you. I see you. Look. Look at that. Got it? Can you do it? So Jesse definitely surprised me here. He started going at it by himself, and he is getting the cement from the wheelbarrow and putting it into the hole where the post is standing. Go ahead, Jesse. Finesse, I see you. I see you. Go on with your bad self. Huh? As you can tell, Jesse is a hard-working 3-year-old. I can tell you he has definitely been here before. He started working this hard since he was 1.5. Go figure. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Laters.